Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about creating a new user inside of our Active Directory. I'm currently logged on to my domain controller. I'm up inside of Active Directory users and computers, and now if I go to the container to which I want to create this new user, now by default when you create a new user inside of Active Directory, the default container is going to be the user's container. So you can right click on your user's container, go to New, select user, and here you're going to type in the user's information, their first name, last name, and then give the user a logon name. This user has the name of Johnny Test, so I'm going to create a logon name using their first initial and their last name, so it would be J Test for the user's logon name. That's going to remain the same for the pre-Windows 2000 logon name. I can go ahead and say next. And on this next window, I have to give the user a password. Now, because my domain by default has a complex password policy, I have to make sure that I type in a password that is going to meet that complexity requirement. Normally, as the domain administrator, I have a password that I give everyone. The first time I create their account, I give them that password, and I require that they change that password at their next logon. Go ahead and say next. Go ahead and say finish. And now I have a new user named Johnny Test inside of my user's container for my Active Directory domain.